In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly and Gohighlevel. We're going to keep this simple and straightforward so you can get your calendar integration set up quickly. If you use Calendly to manage bookings, connecting it inside Gohighlevel is a helpful way to keep your scheduling tools working together more smoothly. To begin, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main homepage of your account. Once you've landed there, take a moment to get oriented. The area we need is in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen, which is where most of the account and system options are organized. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will open the section where you can manage important account configurations, including connections with outside platforms and tools. If you're following along inside a sub-account, the layout should still be very similar, so just look for the same settings option in the sidebar. After you open settings, stay focused on the left-hand side again. There will be another menu within the settings area, and this is where you'll find different categories for configuration. In that list, click on Integrations. This section is specifically for connecting third-party apps and services to Gohighlevel. Once you're in the Integrations page, look through the available options until you find Calendly. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct integration so you don't accidentally open something else. When you find Calendly, click on Connect. This starts the connection process between your Gohighlevel account and your Calendly account. At this point, a new window or prompt may appear asking you to continue with the setup. Next, connect your Calendly account by following the on-screen instructions. You'll typically be asked to sign in to Calendly and authorize the connection so Gohighlevel can access the scheduling data it needs. Just carefully review the permissions shown on the screen and approve them to complete the integration. Once the connection is successful, your Calendly account should now be linked inside Gohighlevel. If you don't see confirmation right away, give it a few seconds and check the integration status again. It's also a good idea to verify that the connection appears as active before leaving the page. And that's it. That's how to connect Calendly in Gohighlevel. If you're setting up automations or appointment workflows afterward, having this integration connected first will make the rest of the process much easier.